Welcome back to the deep dive. If you've been maybe dreaming of studying abroad, particularly in the US, then yeah, this deep dive into Avila University is really for you. It's meant to be your comprehensive guide.
hmm And our mission today really is to unpack all those essential details from the source material you sent over. We're going to cover, everything from what makes Avila unique, how to navigate that whole application process, and even like getting ready for life in Kansas City.
Right.
The goal is to pull out the most important nuggets of knowledge, I guess, helping you feel.
Oh, hey, welcome. What's up?
Hi, I'm Mamadi. I have a few questions regarding international student admissions at Avila University.
Oh, that's absolutely wonderful.
Ism welcome.
We are thrilled you chimed in.
We love it when our listeners join the conversation.
And we can absolutely help you with questions about international student admissions.
Oh, yeah, uh-huh.
What are the GPA and English skill requirements for international students?
Absolutely. That's a fantastic question.
We've got all that information right here for you.
For undergraduate international students, Avila requires official high school transcripts,
And a minimum GPA of 2.5 on a 4.0 scale.
which, yeah, is roughly a B average, as you pointed out.
You'll also need a copy of your passport and verification of financial support.
Now, for English proficiency, if your first language isn't English, you'll need to submit test scores,
For undergraduates, that's an IELTS score of 5.0, a TOEFL of 61.
or a Duolingo score of 95, or a PTE of 46.
And if you're looking at graduate programs, the GPA requirements are a bit different.
At the minimum GPA of 2.7 for MBA programs.
And a 3.0 for psychology-related programs.
Though applicants with a GPA between 2.5 and 2.749 will be reviewed on a case-by-case basis,
For graduate English proficiency, it's an IELTS of 6.0.
or 5.5 for conditional admit.
TOEFL is 73.75 or 46.59 for conditional admit.
Duolingo is 95 and PTE is 50.
And if you're a transfer student, the GPA requirement is a minimum of 2.0. Yep, go on.
What scholarships or financial aid are available?
That's an excellent follow-up question.
Yes, very important.
We absolutely have details on scholarships and financial aid for international students.
It's one of the key things that makes Avila an attractive option.
For undergraduate international students, there are significant scholarships available.
The total annual tuition before scholarships is estimated at $40,540.
But the scholarship amount per year is around $25,815.
That brings the total on-campus costs after scholarship down to about $34,831 per year.
Which is a substantial reduction.
For graduate students, the number is very slightly based on credit.
For 30 credits, the estimated tuition before scholarship is $9,700 to weird.
And for 36 credits, it's $11,700.
Graduate students can receive a yearly scholarship of $2,500.
This brings the total on-campus cost after scholarship to $23,756 for 30 credits.
And $25,706 for 36 credits.
It's important to remember. Oh, yeah.
How does the university support international students in adjusting to the life in the US?
That is such a vital question, and it's something Avila University really focuses on.
Absolutely. Beyond the academics, adjusting to a new country is a huge part of the experience.
The documents we reviewed highlight several ways they support international students.
First, they have a dedicated International Student Services team, or ISS team.
They're there to help you every step of the way.
From pre-arrival questions to life on campus.
They even want to know your flight details and when you're arriving.
So they can greet you and make sure you're welcomed.
And they encourage you to stay in touch with your ISS representative,
Especially if there are any travel delays or changes.
so they can be prepared for your arrival.
It's all about making that transition as smooth.
Oh yeah, let's hear it.
Thank you.
You are so welcome. We're glad we could provide that clarity for you.
Yeah, we really appreciate you chiming in and letting us know.